If you plan to visit Machu Picchu, but you didn't realize you were supposed to buy your ticket months in advance online.
Idiot!
And now you're pants because all the tickets are sold out.
My life.
Don't worry. This is my third time visiting Machu Picchu. I have never once bought a ticket online months in advance. 1,000 tickets are sold every single day here in Aguas Calientes. This is a comprehensive guide to help you through the process.
Do you want to die?
You're able to buy any route that you want. You may just have to wait a day or two extra in Aguas Calientes to go on a more popular route. If you're not sure what route you should take this year in 2025, because all the routes have been redone, we took every single circuit in 2025. We made a separate video here. The moment you get off the train in Aguas Calientes, you need to go as fast as possible to the Ministry of
Culture.
And now we book it to the Ministry of
Culture.
We arrived here at 2:35 and we're only like 50 people back, so we're easily gonna be able to get tickets. Just always have your passport on you for anything you're doing here. It's not like they're gonna not accept our money, but they set it up like Black Friday. You know, where it's like there's only a limited few and you guys gotta cut each other's throats to get them. You just go to that window. The guide will give you a ticket. At the bottom of this ticket will be the time when you need to return to the Ministry of
Culture
to buy your actual Machu Picchu ticket for the following day. If we don't get tickets, I'll eat my boots. If this video becomes outdated, I will post a pinned comment on this video with all the new information you'll need. You'll never be outdated.
141.
Gracias. A la izquierda? Okay. So last night we entered through the stairs on the right side, and now we're entering through the stairs on the left side. Yeah, I'll go grab chairs. How bad is Circuit 1A? We'll find out.
It will be better at 1 p.m. it started raining.
You nervous?
No, because everyone is buying tickets for Wednesday.
You can buy a ticket 2 days out. The toll lady, the girl working, is super patient. She's answered all our questions. We did not come prepared. When you come back at night, make sure you have Solace on you. Our tickets cost about $60 each. They did not accept credit card. Where are the tickets? You happy? Yeah. Don't forget to get your bus tickets that'll take you from Aguas Calientes up to Machu Picchu.
The bus station is on one of the main streets. All the tickets are the same.
I've included a map that shows you exactly where to get your bus tickets, as well as where the bus stop is in Aguas Calientes. So the line for the bus starts right in front of the railroad crossing.
And don't forget to bring your passport. There's also the option of hiking.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like so future travelers don't have to be stressed about something that isn't worth stressing about.